This will be my last time looking over Shawsheen River for at least a couple weeks, give or take a day. Hopefully all the snow is no longer. Do some work there, son, on ridding us of this snow. Welcome, everyone. Enjoying this nice little sunset. I'm about to be leaving. Going on a little bit of a trip. I got a camera behind me and in front of me. Going on a trip. Not going to disclose where, but I will be getting on a train tomorrow. Tonight I'll be going down to Lynn, staying there, and then going into Boston in the AM to begin that. Gonna check out some Jade Pacifica action. So, come check it. I'm all discombobulated. It's that crazy, packing kind of day, Check it. Also just noticing that this thing in the yard, the stone thing from Taylor. What's up, Taylor, if you're watching? I've never seen it completely buried in snow. All right, I just noticed it. It's been buried in snow. Hey, pup. We have a house guest that I'm not going to be seeing before he leaves. See you, Baxter. Hey. There it is. Hey, bud. All right, room. I am out for a little while. Maybe like a week or so. Give or take a day. All right, pups. One more. I forgot to take a picture of all the sticker goodness I put on my suitcase. I'll get to that later. I should have plenty of time to do that while I'm on the train. And what's that, LL Cool J? Will I be riding any subways tomorrow? His picture's right next to you. I don't think so. I don't think I'll be doing any subways on this journey. But there will definitely be trains. And here at the Jade Pacifica, should be good food. Look at all this goodness. And I think I'm gonna go with the Tonga Punch. Look at all this goodness. Going with that famous happy mixture that is always a favorite. Made with rum. Look at that goodness. See if it comes out looking like that.
It doesn't look like it.
Well, it looks kind of like it, only it doesn't have all the garnishing things on it. Still looks pretty tasty. Let's see how it tastes. Tastes delicious. Definitely, what's it called? The Tonga Punch?
Yeah, a tasty favorite.
It's a tasty favorite. Very tasty. Look at that goodness.
Also, best crab rangoon ever. Thank you.
Looking forward to feasting. A distant friend will call you soon. And it blew by itself. That was weird. I wonder what distant friend will be calling me soon. Number 9, number 9, number 9, number 9. And now just gonna enjoy a little Mario with some Dogfish Head Grateful Dead Juicy Pale Ale. all kinds of animals in this video. And it is dark because I am going to sleep. Watching a little Beatles goodness. I will see you tomorrow. Hit that subscribe button. Peace.